Hello everybody, James Williams here. I got another pack of cards. Well, nice little group pack, I guess you can say. I got 2 packs of NFL Score by Panini. I got 2 Bowman packs, and I also picked these up. Football Hit High Series and Football NFL Score 52 Value Pack. So I'll be opening these in another video. Gonna start off with these first. I'll probably start off with these. So yeah, so let's start off with the Bowman and let's see what we got. I went to Walmart and got these. So a lot of different things you can get out of these. Oh well, we'll see. This is my first Bowman pack, so I really don't know what I'm gonna get out of here. Seen some videos, but I forgot what they usually have in them. Anyways, let's see. Troy Hamilton, the Bengals. Rookie card. Sorry, I was going too low there. Jonathan Franklin, running back with the Green Bay Packers. You have Ryan Oten, rookie card, tight end, the Jaguars. Then you got a Niles Davis with the Chiefs, rookie. Should be nice to see how he plays. Then you got your veteran cards, Peyton Manning, Maurice Jones-Drew, and Troy Polamalu. So that's it for that pack. A few good rookies in there. Let's set these over here. And there goes my dog barking. Wow. Anyways. Okay, and now you got rookie linebacker Bartavius Mingo with the Browns. John Jenkins, defensive tackle, now with the Saints. Marcus Lattimore, rookie running back. I'm not sure if he's going to be playing this rookie season. His rookie season with the 49ers, he had that injury. So who knows when we'll see him. Ray Graham, a running back from Pittsburgh. I want to say Pittsburgh, but it could be Navy. Right, Ray Graham with the Texans. So he'll be behind Foster and Ben Tate. You got a Des Bryant purple. Des Bryant purple trim. Looks like it's a sticker. Mike Williams. And Colin Kaepernick. Colin Kaepernick there. So that's it for the Bowman. Nice cards. First I've had of these, so not bad. Set these here. Oh, put them right here. Just trying to get them all organized. Try not to have them fall off the desk. Okay, let's get into the score. Let's see what we can get. $12 cards per pack. Rob Gronkowski. Robert Griffin III. Nice card there. Marcus Ware. Ben Tate, as we mentioned earlier when I had the Ray Graham, I believe it was. Ben Tate. I'm going to flip these cards around. Sean Witherspoon. Marius Moore. You have Josh Gordon. Then you got Airmail Peyton Manning. You got a Deion Jordan rookie card. The Dolphins there. I believe he's out of Oregon. And you got a franchise with Sam Bradford and future franchise with Randall Cobb. So that's it for the first pack of score. As I mentioned, check out my other video I'll be doing after of the 2 bigger packs that I got. Let's see. We ended the first pack with Randall Cobb, and we start the next pack with Randall Cobb, a different one. The other one was a future franchise. This is just a base card, I guess. Eli Manning. We saw Peyton earlier, so there's Eli, his brother. Matt Forte, running back for the Bears. Brandon Pettigrew, tight end for the Lions. Paul Planinski for the Jaguars. You try saying that name 5 times fast. Jeremy Curley, I believe he's in his 2nd year now with the Jets, if I'm not mistaken. Jonathan Stewart, running back for the Panthers. James Laurinaitis for the Rams. It's an interesting background. His father was part of the Road Warriors. His father is Animal. Russell Wilson, airmail. You have a rookie card of Matt Scott, quarterback, the Jaguars. Then we saw Ben Tate, Ray Graham. Now there is Arian Foster. So we got all 3 Texans running backs. Now Justin Blackmon, future franchise. So that's it for the score. Nothing too exciting, but stay tuned for more, and do me a favor and subscribe to this channel and check out my website, sportsmindednews.com. Have a nice day.